Update on my SHEIN seeds. We have been researching and matching pictures to find out what berry this might be. Judging from the very few leaves we saw, we match it to being elderberry. We decided to make a dome for each seedling. We're using water bottles and tape to create this. Elderberry was the first out of the 6 berries that we had planted from the mixed seeds to come up. You can also use this as a safety dome for your seedling to protect them from harsh weathers and insects. As soon as the seedling reach the top of the bottle, we transfer them to their respectable containers. Bottles are sealed and ready. Like this video and subscribe to follow my SHEIN updates.